One word. Which of the following are the key features of an object-oriented programming language? Answer is classes and object. Option C is the answer. Function defined inside a class is called as method. What is the answer? Method. Option C. Next question. Class members are accessed through which operator? Dot operator. Option B is the correct answer. Which of the following method is automatically executed when an object is created? Init. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Fifth question. A private class variable is prefixed with a double underscore. Option A is the answer. Which of the following method is used as destructor? Double underscore del double underscore is the correct answer. Option B, D. Then seventh question. Which of the following class declaration is correct? Correct. So the answer is class name colon. Option C is the correct answer. Eighth question. Which of the following is the output of the following program? Output of the following program. So class student, self name, Tamil. So Tamil. Answer is Tamil. Option B is the answer. The ninth question. Which of the following is the private class variable? Private means double underscore num is the correct answer. The process of creating an object is called as constructor. The process of creating object is called as instantation. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. And part 2 question. What is class? What is class? Answer is book page number 170. Answer is book page number 170. Okay. So the question is, what is class? So class is the main. Class is the answer is book page number 170. Class is the main building block. From here to this is a part 2 first question. Class is the main building block in Python. Object is a collection of, from here to up to this you must write. The whole para you must write. Okay. Then the second question. What is instantation? Answer is book page number 171. What is instantation? So creating object. So this is the answer. Instantation. Once you class next to instantation, you must write the syntax true. Okay, this is the answer. And what is the output of the following program? What is the output of the following program? Third question. Third question. What is the output of the following program? Check this. Class sample. Num is a local variable. 10. Display is a function. Self variable. Print is self dot double underscore num. S equal to sample. S dot display. Print S dot num. Print S dot num. So this is a function calling statement. S dot display. S dot display means that time the value 10 printed on the screen. 10 printed on the screen. Then the next time outside the function, outside the class, print S dot double underscore num. So this statement returns error. Second statement returns error. Okay, because double underscore num is a local variable. So first time it returns the answer 10. Second time it returns error because double underscore num is a local variable. Okay, you can't use the local variable outside the class. This is the answer. You must write properly. What I am saying, you listen carefully and write properly. Okay. Then the fourth question. How will you create constructor in Python? How will you create constructor in Python? Answer is book page number 173. 173. The question is, how will you create constructor in Python? So answer is from here to constructor is a special function. So from here to up to the next page, must write all the points and general format and the example too. Example and the output of this. Also you must write all the points, you must write. Okay, this is an important question, constructor of class. And the next question is, what is the purpose of destructor? Answer is book page number 175. Destructor is also a special for methods to get executed. From here to you must write the example. Okay, this is an important 2 mark question. Constructor and destructor both are the repeated question. And the next question is 3 mark question. What are the class members? How do you define it? Answer is book page number 170. Answer is book page number 170. 170 part 3 question, defining class. Defining class, from here to must write all the points. So from defining class to 3 mark question. So you write all the points. Then accessing class members. Accessing class members, that too you must write. Okay, so this is the points. The next question, write a class with 2 private variable and print the sum using a method. Okay, so you have to use this program for the model program. This is a model program of that question, part 3 second question. Okay, but the one difference is that question given use 2 private variables. So private variable means you must use a double underscore before the variables. So using this concept, you have to write a program and send it to me. This is your homework. Okay, so that only the difference compare with this program. So you have to declare 2 private variables and print the sum using a method. Same program but only a single difference. Okay, must write and send to me. And the next question is, find the error in the following program. So find the error. What is the error of that? So all the statement def init, all the statements are correct, but the last statement, the statement before the last statement, del f dot display, that only the wrong statement, because del f dot display, that del keyword is not possible. We can't use del keyword in program. Okay, so del f dot display should not be used to display the output. So that is a proper answer here. Del f dot display should not be used to display the output. So what is the exact correct statement on that place means f dot display, the last one statement is correct, but the del f dot display, that is an incorrect statement. So that statement only you avoid. Okay, so that is the error. You must write the point, del f dot display should not be used to display the output. Okay, and the next program. Okay, what is the output of the following program? So the answer is, what is the output of the following program? Greetings, that is the name of the class. Init function and display function, 2 functions created, and the greeting, the argument is Bindu Madhavan. Then the display, already they are display good morning string directly. Self dot name is Bindu Madhavan. So the answer of that question is good morning Bindu Madhavan. That is the answer. Good morning Bindu Madhavan. The part 3 answer of 4th question is good morning Bindu Madhavan. Then how to define a constructor and destructor in Python. So that question answer is that whole constructor. Book page number 173. 173. You must write all the points. What is constructor? Then general format, then example, then output. You must write all the points, and destructor also you must write all the points. Okay, already we marked that question answer. And the next one is write a menu driven program to add or delete stationery items. You should use dictionary to store item and the brand. That is your homework. You must write that program and send it to me.